guys. Oh, I'm cooking. No chili. Just garlic, salt, powdered pepper, and egg. It's because I'm on the diet, so I just avoid chili, and I don't have enough ingredients, guys. Just this one and for my bread. So this is just hurried cooking. Hurried cooking only. It's because Malaysia now is very busy. Busy holiday and a lot of customers, so I need to eat. Hurry up cooking only. Hurry up cooking only, guys. So this one enough for me. No need to have many spices and ingredients. Just garlic, egg, salt, and black pepper powder. Yun na, guys, solved na. Have a nice day, everyone. Masarap pa rin to. Partner ng loaf bread ko. So yun lang, guys. Have a blessed weekend, everyone. I love you all. Bye. Ooh, happy weekend.